And just like that, I found my way over to Kings Mills Antique Autos. Just remember, you can rent by the day, the week, or the month, or even lease it. So let's head on in and see what type of car we're gonna be renting or leasing.
License up the speed.
Vroom, vroom, we are off to the races. I have this crazy guy right here that's driving me. He's a Jolly Roger, so you know, you gotta be really careful with that type. You never know. He's used to driving a pirate ship, not this crazy car. Our matey, we be driving through the river town, getting all pedal to the metal on it. We're charging, and here we go. Come on, pick up the pace a little bit. We don't have time to stop and get gas. Whoa! We swerving around. This thing's got crazier, you need insurance. It's got crazier than the beast. And here we go, we're charging on all the way through. Come on, chauffeur, pedal to the metal.
I'm going as fast as you want.
Hey, I paid you decently to be my Uber driver, so you know you need to pick it up. Come on. They're in front of us, we need to catch up to them. No, you're getting a 1.5 because you know you're not gonna go through the tunnel. Trying to get rid of me, huh? To drop me off on the other side of the tunnel. Why is your car so loud? I can't hear you say anything. It's too loud. Crazy drunk driver. Oh my God, why did I get in the car with you? We just charging all the way through. At least your car is nice though. I will give you that. It's very clean. With the exception of this ugly black ceiling you have above you, but hey. So you're trying to go into the swamp to drop me off, is that it?
Yeah.
I knew it.
One of the wild animal habitat.
Ooh, lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Can we have a picnic and feed the bears?
The guided animal safari.
The guided, okay, where are the animals at? All I see is that gas station we just passed. Are you trying to go in circles? You act like Willy Wonka.
There's a bird on your right.
There's a bird. What type of bird is it? I thought this was an animal safari.
Cardinal.
It's the cardinals.
They're playing around a lot better than the red bird.
That's a baseball team. It's not a bird, you crazy man. You don't know what you're doing. Try to confuse me on this interesting ride. I feel like
we're rock formation to your left there.
That's so pretty. Oh my God, look at that rock. It's painted black. There's a little barrel that's over there. There's some cars that are getting worked on. And we're just cruising. Crazy driver, you keep it going. I should have known, with being you a Jolly Roger, you've probably been drinking rum before we got in the car. That's why you're swerving around and getting crazy with it. All type of radicalness the entire way. You better not be playing chicken with that car over there. Not allowed. Oh no, we're stopping. Are we up? What? It's forward but stop. Ah, getting all jerky and crazy. Well, yeah, you're giving me whiplash now. What's up with that? What did I pay you for? You're a terrible Uber driver. You're getting 1 star. I'm gonna go ride with Lyft from now on. You don't know what you're doing. Oh, so now we're stuck in traffic, I see. This is what you get for creating a traffic jam over here. Nobody wants to sit and wait in traffic, so we will hang out. You best not be bumping them. But you're just getting crazy with it. Stuck in traffic. As you should. You start leaving. From here we go. Gonna start charging all the way up. Ooh, someone's getting a new friend. They left us behind the stop sign. Someone decided to come over and ride with us.
Yeah.
I got the gas.
Oh, the driver that's hanging out the side of our car. They're getting crazy with it. We're getting all now. It's 2 drivers now. I don't know what to do about 1. Now we got 2. This one seems to be crazy. What's hanging off the side? And I think we're stopping. Oh, thankfully. Well, that was a crazy, interesting ride. Here's my driver. I don't know. He seemed to like want to follow me and like come after me after that. So this is why you always ride with Lyft and not Uber, because you end up with people like this who drive crazy and reckless and get all radical with it. Well, thank you guys for watching this POV of the Kings Mills Antique Autos here at Kings Island. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other random things I might film for you. This guy's still following me. Should I like run away? Let's go.